Hi. This short video is designed to help you get to the group screening report for FAST progress monitoring. So assuming that you've logged into FAST, uh, making sure that you understand there are different permission levels. So this view is set as a teacher permission. So I'm going to take a look at what the screen looks like. And at the top of the screen, you will find a reporting tab. Please click on that and you'll notice that there are a number of reports available. Where do you begin? We're going to begin with the group screening report. So clicking on group screening report will give you choices of what to choose. So if you have already done screening in the CBMR in English, you can go ahead and click on the class, the teacher, when it was done, what interval, and then generating the report. And that will get you the report that you're looking for. So good luck. If you have any questions, please connect with the Office of Assessment Administration.